Hey Insiders, I'm going to show you some work on your back this time. So we usually in our workshops, we started with the more general pressure of the foam roller. I think that's a good idea. And we did some longitudinal rolling with that. So you can take it all the way up. This is kind of good core work. You have to keep your core nicely engaged throughout. Support your head with your hands. And then remember, we did some back extensions and curling up. You can do that at various levels. When you get down low in the back, you might decide to lift the pelvis and drop it down. So you see what's going on now. I'm getting some good back extension. This tends to be an area where we get a lot of resistance is in back extension. And back extension is really important to good posture. So that's something you want to maintain. After using something with more general pressure like that, you can get into these nasty little balls, put them on either side of the spine, and we did some compressed. Remember we did the sort of pendiculation exercise where we push down and then we let the back arc and we tuck everything in and let the back arc, and we just move that up a little bit each time. Pressing down and arcing up, pressing down and arcing up. As we moved up into the area between the shoulder blades, remember we started using some arm actions to get into the tissue between the shoulder blades. It can be so grumpy there. We also went a little bit of lean from side to side, and that gets right into those tissues, and you can come up a bit higher. So just remember, whenever you're working on the shoulders, to do lots of movements with your arms. That's going to be your best strategy for hydrating those tissues. All right, so some juicy work for you there. Remember to message me if you have any questions about that, or you need a reminder, you want to see a video about something, feel free to let me know, okay? So make sure you're rolling though. That's the thing. All right. Talk to you later. Bye for now.